Building on a legacy of over 60 years in the construction industry, with more than 100 plus projects successfully delivered across Delhi NCR, Trehan Iris presents its latest commercial masterpiece, Iris Broadway Mall. Situated in the heart of New Gurgaon and Sector 85-86, it's just 5 minutes drive from NH8, Dwarka Expressway, Pataudi Road and new proposed metro route, and just 25 minutes drive from IGI Airport. Spanning over 2.8 acres with 1,000 feet of prime visibility, this thriving hub hosts over 45 plus top brands which are operational, plus you also get to see surface as well as 3-level basement parking. Nestled amongst 75 plus residential societies, the mall attracts a monthly footfall of over 1 million people, making it prime destination for both shoppers and investors alike. Featuring popular brands like Haldiram's, KFC, Lux Salon, Samsung, Home For You, Apple, Starbucks, The Beer Cafe, Croma, Reliance Smart, Soho Suites and many more. Iris Broadway Mall offers an unmatched retail experience, and we also have Soho Suites that is managed by Sarovar Portico at the top of this mall. There are just 3 malls in the radius of 5 to 6 kilometers which are fully functional with superb footfall, and Iris Broadway is one of them. For investors, we have pre-rented commercial units available here where your rental income starts from day 1 and you get the rental escalation every 3 years of 10%. The cherry on the cake is the capital appreciation one gets apart from the rental income due to the prime location of the mall, which is approximately 15 to 20%. The investment starts from 40 lakhs and goes to around 7 CR. So seize the opportunity to be the part of this vibrant commercial hub. For more information, kindly connect on the above mentioned number. Thank you and have a good day.